for the ocean, stayed for your smile. Your laugh made my trip so worthwhile. Mogadishu sun, a wave so blue. But the best thing here was meeting you. Khitalido banistage korachta da beisha wala dake badadatka iyo jawiga lakina digaya iyabiye indahaga way iftiman kosul kaga wuda waynaya dakwa kaftan badana digunawat kamitta he kurukhta badan Muqdisho ko Jeclahay Adiga sababua. You're the sunshine in my day and the peace in my heart at night. Kaftan kagawiga kosliya Lami lubi karomo ka. I didn't plan to fall this way, but I fell in love in Mogadishu Bay. We walk by the beach, hand in hand. Your stories, your jokes, they were unplanned. The fish, the tea, the mango trees, but you're the sweetest memory. The locals laughed and waved hello. So much warmth, it started to show. But when I looked into your eyes, that's when I felt butterflies. Muqdisho ko Jeclahay, wan ku khasluna hey. You're my calm in the busy street, my heartbeat in the summer heat. Lata iyo krukta magarada, laki adigaya yapka. I didn't plan to stay this long, but with you, it feels like home. Marka ko firsado, waniluba milang jugay. Puso kagawa pufin faktada, wa inadogatid wan ku khase. Mogadishu, you gave me love under skies so wide above. From the markets to the sand, you took my heart with just one hand. Muqdisho ko Jeclahay, majiro mil kaliya wa Jacayl ko shayni laki na qalbigaaga